And the Rugu Tea Factory is set to become the latest producer of Orthodox tea. Kenya Tea Development Agency chairperson David Ichoho says the 130 million shillings facility is part of plans to diversify to other high-value tea amid falling prices of black tea in the global market.
Crisis in Pakistan and Egypt, Kenya's key traditional black tea market has drastically affected earnings, which dropped by 5 billion shillings in February as the two nations grappled with foreign currency crisis. To reduce dependence on traditional markets, Kenya has been pushing for production of Orthodox tea. The Kenya Tea Development Agency has invested 130 million shillings in construction of an Orthodox tea factory at Ndarogu in Kiambu County.
Commence this project of Orthodox, and we are here to hand over the site to the engineers of civil work and steel work who are supposed to commence the work starting today, and the project will take around 5 months.
The facility will be the agency's 11th specialty tea factory.
The Orthodox is able to fetch more money in the market, up to $4, up to $6 and $7, based on the grades, which is relatively high, apart from the $3 we get from city.
Ichoho expects that with the onset of the long rains, tea production is expected to increase.
Production for the last month that we have closed, we produced at 117 million kilos, and we have already paid the farmers for money amounting to 2.4 billion. That money was released on Monday, and they have already reached the bank accounts, and farmers are enjoying their money.
KTDA has been seeking 800 million shillings to establish Orthodox lines in various factories across the country. Benson Droba reporting for Lunchtime News.